Indiana, welcome to another round of snow. There is a winter storm watch for the next few days. Stick around and Jim Scott has your up-to-date forecast.
Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the national-wide forecast for this December the 12th, Friday already. Can you believe it? But what I'm tracking here in Indiana is this snow area. So we'll get to that in just a minute. Hey, looking at the National Weather Overview, a large winter system continues sliding across the plains into the Midwest. And quiet and mild conditions dominate the East Coast. A new Pacific storm brings heavy rain and mountain snow out west. So a lot to cover this morning. Looking at the Midwest and Great Lakes, snow showers from Minnesota to Wisconsin and northern Michigan. Looking at heavy bands possible around the Lake Superior and Lake Michigan with lake effect enhancements. Looking at highs around 26 to 34 degrees and travel impact likely reduced visibility with slick roads out there. So be careful if you got to be out. Looking at the northern plains, looking at the bitter cold returns behind the parting system. Morning wind chills around minus 10 to minus 20 degrees and light snow lingering into the Dakotas. Looking at high temperatures in the teens to low 20s. In central and southern plains, moisture feeding into a developing system. Rain and thunderstorms from Oklahoma into eastern Texas. Now, some storms could produce heavy wind gusts. Looking at high temperatures between 48 and 58 degrees in the northern area, and looking at the 60s in the far south. Now, the southeast area, we're looking at mostly quiet weather. Partly to mostly sunny skies across Georgia and the Carolinas and Florida. And can't rule out maybe a passing shower possible near the Gulf Coast. Looking at temperatures ranging between 63 and 75 degrees. But the warmest is going to be in Florida. Now looking at the northeast, looking at high pressure dominates, plenty of sunshine, calm and seasonal temperatures, Highs around 38 degrees to 48 degrees. Cold mornings, lows, but pleasant afternoons rebound in the forecast. And looking at your Pacific Northwest, strong Pacific storm moves in with heavy rain for Washington and Oregon coastal regions. And looking at the mountain area, looking at snow in the Cascades, travel is definitely going to be difficult through the mountains. Looking at high temperature ranging between 42 and 52 degrees. And looking at the Southwest and the Rockies, snow showers for the Colorado and Rockies, Utah mountains, and northern Arizona high countries. Dry and cool for the desert areas. Looking at high temperatures in the Rockies between 20s and 30s, and the desert Southwest between 55 and 68 degrees. Now moving out to California, and northern California, you'll see steady rain. Southern California mostly dry and mild with increasing clouds. High temperatures in northern California, looking in the 50s, and Southern California, mid-60s to near 70. And good morning, Indiana. Now it's time for your forecast, and it's a doozy one. Hey, we're looking at winter storm watch remains in effect from Saturday morning through Sunday morning. Clipper will track southeast of the area with snow ending this morning, as it's still coming down as you step out this morning. Roads are slick and snow covered, so just be careful. And with another system to bring widespread accumulation snow to the area Saturday into Saturday night. Now, snow will develop Saturday afternoon at the leading edge of Arctic air is coming in. We're looking at widespread snow will continue Saturday night before ending Sunday morning. Now, looking at these images shows the expected snow and probability of 4 inches or more. And the northwest winds will gust up to 25 miles per hour. So, with this snow and the winds, it's going to feel definitely like winter out there. All right. Temperature's going to drop into the single digits by Sunday morning with wind chills below zero. And the combination of snow, wind, and cold will make Saturday night an unfavorable time to be outside or even traveling on the roadways. And Arctic air settles into the region from Saturday night through Monday, bringing bitterly cold temperatures with wind chills. Now, I am looking at a warm-up with temperatures above normal expected by the middle of the week. And looking at the latest radar from Indianapolis, the heaviest snow band is tracking east, southeast between Indianapolis and Louisville. And this is what we're looking at here as this system slowly moving out of the area. But we'll have snow for a couple more hours anyway. Now, here's the latest update that I received at 3:05 a.m. this morning. That shows a snowfall forecast map with the adjusted lower totals. Not going to get as much as what we originally had seen. That we should see this morning, especially across the northern part. Now, snow continues this morning, cloudy with a temperature of 27 degrees this morning. Winds will be light out of the east, and looking at a 70% chance. Now, total snowfall tonight, accumulation less than an inch. Now, for your Friday forecast, once we get through this snow band, looking at mostly cloudy with a high near 33 degrees, winds out of the east at around 6 miles per hour, and becoming light and variable towards the afternoon. And your Friday night, cloudy with a low around 22 degrees, winds will be out of the west at 3 to 8 miles per hour. Now, moving into Saturday and Sunday, this is where it gets really interesting. Saturday, snow mainly after 1 p.m. The snow could be heavy at times with highs around 27 degrees. Winds out of the west at 7 to 9 miles per hour. And chance of snow is 100%. And new snow accumulation around 2 to 4 inches possible. Now, looking at your Saturday night forecast, the chance of snow continues before 1 a.m. Mostly cloudy with a low around 1 below zero. Yes, that's right. And the winds will be out of the northwest at 6 to 9 miles per hour. Could see wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow is 50%, and new snow accumulation is 1 to 2 inches possible. Now, Sunday, looking at mostly sunny with a high near 11 degrees. Winds will be out of the west at 11 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy with a low around 2 below zero. Monday, sunny skies with a high near 20 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 11 miles per hour. And Monday night, looking at partly cloudy with a low around 13 degrees. Looking at your Tuesday forecast, mostly sunny with a high near 33 degrees. Yeah, it's going to be a heat wave, huh? Southwest winds around 8 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 28. Hey, if you just have to be out traveling today, use caution and drive carefully and definitely slow down. And I'll do my best, Indiana and Ohio, to keep you updated on the conditions over the weekend. Stay safe and try to have a good day. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.